everybody! I've missed you. Today we are going to be making a pinwheel. Now a pinwheel is something that is usually something you see outside, because you can see right now that it's not moving, but when you add wind or a force of air, the pinwheel will move. Okay? Right now I'm using my hand, but pinwheels can move without that, which is the wind or the forced air. So I'll show you right now. Right, we're going to talk about the things that you need to make your own pinwheel. So first, most important, paper. Okay, you don't want paper that's too thick, but you don't want it too thin either. So mine was a little bit thick, so I sort of bent it so it's flexible so it can move and rotate around. Okay, we'll put the pinwheel there so you remember what it looks like. You also need a push pin. Now, you probably don't have these just anywhere in the house. You'll probably have to ask your mom or dad where they are, because they're very sharp. Okay, next you need a pencil. And the reason why the pencil is important is because you need to have this rubber on the top, which is where you push pin into. Push pin into. After that, you need scissors on our list. And remember, always hold the scissors with the handle, because it's sharp the other end. Felt tip pens and stickers. Now the reason I felt tip pens and stickers is because we're going to decorate ours today. Okay, so I've just got a couple different stickers. I've got some bugs, mini bees, and I've also got stars, so you can decorate it however you want. All right, are you ready to go? Didn't hear it. Louder? Are you ready to go? All right, here we go. Start, you're gonna take your paper the long ways and you're gonna fold it over to make a triangle. Okay, so make sure it's folded nicely. So do you see the triangle? Open it up. So triangle. Now, on this line here, we're gonna cut this off because we don't need it. Very carefully, follow along that line up for the triangle. Okay, so we got a triangle, but look, when you put two triangles together, it makes a square. So, can you see we've got a fold here, so you made a triangle, but what we need now is to do the fold again this way, make another triangle this way. So we'll have lots of folds on the paper. So when you actually look at it, it's a square, but there's a triangle here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 triangle and 4. 1 square and 4 triangles. So I'm going to make my paper, I'm going to roll it a little bit just so that it can become flexible and move easier. Right, now is when you start to cut. So you take your scissors and you start at the tip on the corner, and you go in about halfway down the line, maybe even a little bit more than halfway. Okay, see? So my center is here. I'll put a mark where my center is. Put a mark with my push pinwheel pencil. So there's the center, the very center of it all, where all of the points of the triangle meet. So I've done one, halfway, got 3 more lines. Go to the corner, in halfway. Okay, cut 2 more to cut. There's the corner, cut halfway. Okay, last corner, third corner, cut halfway. Where it gets a little bit tricky, and you may want to ask an adult to help you, because the paper, you've got to hold it, put it down, add another one, and sometimes they fly all over the place. So you take the corner that's cut and you put it to cover that dot in the center, and you take the other far corner of that triangle, cover the dots so they're overlapping. Corner of the third triangle, This is where it gets tricky. And now take the corner of the fourth triangle. Now I'm gonna get my push pen and put it through the center, so I hope I get them all together. Get the adult to help you with this part because it is very sharp. And let's see. Whoop. Okay. I've got it through. Now I put it through my, there we go. Woo! And now it's time to decorate. So I'm gonna put some stickers. Yeah, look at that. Purple star. Orange star. Green star. Oh, the green star doesn't want to come off. There we go. Green star and blue star. And I'm gonna write my name inside. So I'm gonna put Michelle. I can put my name in it. Also, do something else. I want to make a heart. I love making crafts. I'm gonna put a heart. And I'm gonna put some stickers. So I've got something on every space except for 1, 2. So I'm gonna get some bug stickers. Whew. I don't know what kind of bug or mini beast this is, but I hope I don't come across it when I'm outside. Oh, this one. There we go. Right, I'm gonna go bring in a fan and see if we can make this pinwheel spin with the air. Okay, let's see if it works. Woohoo! It works! So what I'll do is I'll put it outside and wait for the wind to come and see if it will start to blow my... Bye! Can't wait to see what you do!